I've been wondering all my life, lost in your heart and searching for your eyes. I need to find a way to you, solve this puzzle like a Rubik's cube. I can hear your voice, I can feel